Wow. What is up, Crackamaniacs? In today's video, we're gonna be cracking my back, so stay tuned.
What's cracking, Crackkamaniacs? Dr. Tirado here, and we are in sunny Florida. Man, we love this place. And today we're gonna do a little outdoor adjustment for you on this guy. Maybe you recognize him. He's got his own channel. What's his channel?
Project Alpha.
Project Alpha. We've got Blade here one more time, and we are gonna get adjusted, or he's gonna get adjusted, and you guys are going to get an opportunity to watch. This is our first adjustment of many that we'll be doing in what we like to call our Florida series. All right, we're going to be here for the next month. We're going to be looking to go out and just find a whole bunch of people that want to just get adjusted, and you guys get to watch. So let's just get started. All right, let's get started. So here we go. So I'm just going to work on his shoulders first, because you see he's got a lot of rounding in his shoulders inside here. So we're going to try to unlock those things. So I want you to turn your head to the left, just like that, straight like that. And I want you to keep turning just a little bit.
To the left?
Yeah, as much as you can, so we can get a little more space inside here. Good, look straight ahead. Okay, and let's just come right inside here. Put your shoulder to the side. Rotate it out a little bit, like that. I'm going to bring this in, bring this down. Rotate it in. Good. Rotate it out again. And bring it right back straight. Good. Let's turn your head to the right. Ooh, there we go. Keep your head straight. Every now and then we got to hit him in the head.
To wake me up.
To wake him up. Look straight ahead. Take this shoulder, rotate it out a little bit. All right, do I look like a Floridian? Do I look like a tourist?
Oh, you're from a safari.
Bring it in. Lift it up like this. Bring it back down, rotate out. Excellent. And bring it straight here. All right. So take this arm, go like this. All right, wait, pull it back. There we go. Let's try the other side. Same thing.
Pop.
Good pop, good movement. Pull it back. There we go. Ooh. Nice. Nice. And just relax again. Got good releases inside there. Let's try it this way a little bit more. Good. Let's try the other side. And relax. Good. Excellent. We're going to do your elbows now. Relax your arm, let it drop. Good. Wrist. Thumb. Relax your hand. Good. Relax your arm. Let's check this one. Elbow, pop. Wrist. This way. Good. Thumb. Awesome. Excellent. I want you to straddle the table. One leg there, one leg here.
Oh, I'm so tight here.
A little bit more. Over there. So a little bit easier. Legs right there. Awesome. All right, we're going to try to get some rotation right inside the mid part of his spine. It's where he's a little bit tight. He's got a little arch inside here. All right, so we're going to cross his arms. That, and this goes underneath. We'll rotate this way. Okay, I want you to breathe in really deep. And breathe all the way out. Let it go.
Oh,
nice. All right, we're going the other side. Hold on. Come around here. Breathe out. And breathe out. Let it go a little bit more. Good. Excellent. Okay. Good. I want you to breathe in really deep. Breathe out. Raise your head a little bit.
Wow.
Good. Good. Excellent. All right, stay there. Here to the side a little bit. One more. Good. And go right on the other side, all right? Right in here. Just let it go. A little more. Awesome. Feels good. Okay. We're going to see how the legs line up. That looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to ask you to lay down on your back, face up. Separate your knees a little bit. I want you to squeeze them together. Ooh, there we go. All right, that gets the pubis bone inside there, right inside there. Separate. Good. Bring this down and relax this knee. Relax this knee. Getting a little sweaty here, huh? Yeah. Good. Let this drop down to the side. Let's stretch the hip joint. Good. Bring this back down. Let's just stretch out that leg, that hamstring a little bit.
It's not much there.
No, huh? What happened?
All right.
We stretch out the hamstring and the flexor. We take that off the table. It's not. Doesn't look like it's going very far.
No. Not anymore.
Okay, bring this back up. Excellent. Okay, let's do this side. Take the knee, relax the knee, open it up the joint. Good. Let this drop down. Good. Stretch out that hamstring. Again.
Oh, that's tight.
That's really tight. Must have done legs the other day. Let's get the flexor also. Get the face of agony. Good. There we go. Bring this leg up. Back down. Okay. Let's get that ankle. Hold on. Just relax. Good. Same thing here. Just let it go. More. Good. Why don't you lay on your stomach one more time?
All my flexibility is gone.
It's all gone. Okay. That's the side. Relax. Yeah, you're still a little jammed up inside this leg. Just raise that leg for a second. Straight up. Bring the leg straight up. Back down. Bring it back down. Okay, we're going to have to loosen that up a bit. Bringing out the big boy here. Raise it up again. That's better. Awesome. Bring it down. Raise this side. Back down. To loosen that up. And right in the lumbar spine. Anybody with those disc problems, this is great stuff. Same thing here. People with thoracic kyphosis, this works great. Good. Okay, lay right on your back, face up. Hands to this side, just slide up a little bit more. That's good. No, lift up. Back down. And I got to just really thank Chirolux for these tables. They are just really, really fantastic. They gave us the gift of this table. Just really great stuff. We took it, we traveled with it. It went through a rainstorm. These things are just really great. I highly recommend them. Just relax. Good. Slide up just a little bit, just a drop. Good. Okay. And just relax nice and easy. Just want you to focus on your breathing. Good. Just focus on the breath, nice and deep. A little bit more. Good. Come back here. Just relax there. Right there. Just focus on your breath, nice and easy. Good. Let it go. Good. Alright, so I normally have my Y strap with me. I don't have that with me today. Use towel. Alright. And just relax. Breathe nice and easy, in real deep. And out. And breathe one last time in. And let it go. Nice and easy.
Wow. Yeah.
Close up on that. Yeah. How'd that feel?
Every bone except for you.
Everything separated?
Yeah.
How low down did that go?
Felt like on the bottom of my bone.
Wow. Wow. Let me give you a hand up nice and easy. Alright. Legs on that side. Let's relax a little bit. All set. Thanks for watching Dr. Tirado, and thanks for watching Blade. We'll see you soon. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.
What's up, everybody? This is USA Chiropractic. And in today's video, we're going to be cracking my back. So stay tuned.
What's cracking?
Crackkamaniac!